Hey guys, it's me, Don41. We're gonna take on Lance, the champion. I've been waiting for you, Diamond. I knew that you, with your skills, would eventually reach me here. There's no need for words now. You will bow to determine who is the strongest of the two of us. The most powerful trainer as the Pokemon League champion. Lance, the Dragon Master. Accept your challenge. Dun. I remember this one. This one rocks. Get the Gyarados out. Okay. Yes, I'm paralyzed. But then when Barf go paralyzed. I feel so psyched if I actually beat Lance, because then I could go to Kanto. Whoa, he's not even red. He must have knew I would took him out, so that's why. Oh man. Oh, stop. Oh. Take this. Yes. Ampharos and Pidgey are my strongest Pokemon. I want Bailey to be the strongest. Dragonite. Reason why Golem's out? Let's see. What this one is. Oh, bad. I better explosion. You. Yes. Yes. Oh, 50 Dragonite went down. He has 4 Dragonites. I have no idea why. Oh wait, he's a Dragon Master. So that's why he's 4 Dragonites. Check him out. Like Shadow Rush from the other, from 2 different games. Scent Trap. Try to get going. Revive Golem. But I will do the Kanto part. Like the Happy Kanto with the badges and stuff. Healing Golem. Okay. He's gonna attack, that's better. Or there's something better that he didn't attack or paralyze, so kind of that. Wizard, that's bad. Yeah, Pidgeot is almost down. Yes, Pidgeot was able to move. Ooh, no longer protected by Sunfire. I avoid your attack. I'm just excited if I actually beat Lance, because I want to go to Kanto really bad. Ooh, critical hit. Yeah. I know you. You probably use a potion too, right about now. Pterodactyl. He's little Bailey. Pterodactyl. I think that was supposed to be actually his last Pokemon. Looks like it's probably gonna be a Dragonite. Oh man. Revive the whole thing. The whole health with yeah. I'm gonna let Pidgeot deal. Actually, I'm just gonna revive Pokemon, other Pokemon. Because Pidgeot is not going to, yeah. Carlos is back. Pidgeot was able to get 2 Pokemon back and or 1 down. Okay, let's hope that actually, yeah. As always, of course. And yes. Okay, go on. And then we can use Airlace. Back. Hello. Oh, he's actually going for Rock Slide. He's tough. That's why they call. Wait, he's a Dragon Master? This is not a dragon at all. I don't get it. Crunch. Not really effective, but it's a critical hit, and just lower my defense. Yes. Daily help. Dragonite. Dragonite should. If Golems actually survive this one. Oh, come on, please, please, Dragonite, do not get hit. Yes! That's the second Dragonite out. That means there's only 2 more Dragonites I have to deal with. Golem, actually, I got... Explosion was actually one of my plans for this. Oh yeah, the rest 2 are just Dragonites. Dragon Rush. Oh, you. Paralyze me, you have to. Oh, come on, are you serious? Man, my hands are so sweaty because I just want to win so bad. He switches out. He's close to get hit. Please go on, please, please, please don't. Yeah, come on, please hit him. Please hit Dragonite. Please hit Dragonite. Yes, please, Dragonite. Thanks. I actually want to go Kanto really bad. So bad. My hands are so sweaty. Obrion, you're not going to lose, I could tell. If Obrion survives for 2 turns, I could bring Golem back. Oh, it's his Charizard. I forgot about that. Okay, Golem's back with a revive. Air Slash, he missed. Good. That's good. I need to bring someone else. And Carlos is back. Let's see what happens. Air Slash, he actually hit the time. Huh, just barely any damage. Okay. Potion. I'm actually just sweating. Do you want, I'm just gonna flip off this after Charizard attacks me. I'm just so sweaty. Okay, see you guys later.